The United States Department for Agriculture, USDA, plugging into the larger picture of cooperation between Ghana and the United States, facilitated this new engagement between agricultural research scientists and end users. A field trip to farms in the Tolong area of the northern region formed the basis of the practical insights shared on modern scientific farm practices. A senior research scientist of the CSIR's Savannah Agricultural Research Institute, Dr. Jerry Imboyini, took farmers through the agronomic practices and latest findings which informed breeding of cowpea or beans. His punchlines included the development of new varieties of the crop which are stress-resistant or tolerant.
We have come out with a BT cowpea variety. And what that simply means is that we have given the cowpea some, or the beans some kind of ability to overcome damage by this particular important insect of the cowpea. So when farmers now plant that particular cowpea variety, they no longer need to spray the typical 8 times. And what that means is that we are saving costs for the farmer.
In the field with him were the acting director of CSIR's Plant Genetic Resources Research Institute, Dr. Daniel Korte, and the Deputy Director of CSIR's Crop Research Institute, Dr. Maxwell Asante. Dr. Asante had earlier briefed the stakeholders about how new knowledge has informed the agronomy of rice production. Rice, a major Ghanaian staple, requires massive patronage of domestic production to improve national balance of payments. Therein lies the scientific tweaking to improve quantity and quality of locally produced rice.
The problem with GMO acceptance is that the understanding is not there. There should be a lot of public education for the public to appreciate and understand. Where there is understanding.
But the secret is that everything that you find at Ministry of Agriculture has come through Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation. And as the name rightly suggests, ours is to delve into sciences and use technology and some innovation to improve on the well-being of Ghanaians.
The director of CSIR, Professor Paul Bosu, and the economic associate of the U.S. Embassy in Ghana, Mr. Easton Reid, took part in the deliberations.